Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I'm Trix, and on this channel, we share one little spark of life in each and every video. We get together every Monday, Friday, and Saturday and unbox subscription boxes, share our love for all things Disney, review products, and share our shopping hauls. If any or all of that sounds like something you would like to see more of, make sure you click that subscribe button before you leave here today. That way YouTube will let you know each and every time I upload a new video. I'm not exactly sure how you have been feeling lately, but in all honesty, I have been feeling a little dead inside since WandaVision ended. And even though in pictures my smile has been getting bigger, I can feel day by day the light slowly draining from my eyes. So I figured it was as good a time as any to dye my hair. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. It is a newer product, so I wanted to jump on here, try it out with you today. I'm going to be trying this product from Kristin Ess, and it is the Color Depositing Conditioner. So this is going to deposit semi-permanent, deeply moisturizing dye into the hair. I have already on this channel tried out two other color depositing sort of hair products. I will be linking those down below in the description if you would like to check them out after you check out today's video. However, the thing that really drew me into this one was that it is at a drugstore price. All of the Kristin Ess color depositing conditioners retail for $14, or at least they do at Target wherever I purchased this one. I have tried other Kristin Ess products before, by the way, and about like 98% of them really worked for me. A few were like misses, but in general, do like the products. They do really work well. And I also noticed that Ulta has started carrying Kristin Ess products. So both places to check this product out. We'll be linking this product down below in the description box if you do want to grab it for yourself. There were multiple colors to choose from, but I got mine in the color of Terracotta. So it says that this is for whenever you want to add or refresh your color. This conditioner will gently deposit pigment. You can apply on wet hair for a more subtle response or on dry hair for more intense results. All the shades are free of ammonia and peroxide. I do want to see how intense this color can actually get. I do have hair on the darker side. This is my natural hair color. I've just realized how many videos have I filmed lately, and the Peter Pan hat looks like it's on my head. Anyway, so I want to see how intense this will be. I want to apply this to the dry hair. It says to apply to dry, clean hair, which this is, and allow the conditioner to sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. So let's do that. I realize I should probably be doing this with gloves and not in a carpeted area of my apartment, but gotta live wild where we can, right? All right, so this is not gloopy at all. I mean, it kind of looks like blood, but it is not runny at all. It smells fresh. It has a bit of a grapefruit scent, I think. All of Kristin Ess's products, by the way, are highly fragrant. So if you're not a fragrance fan in your hair care, that might not be for you, but they're all pleasant fragrances. All right, so while I'm working this product through, I thought we could have a little chat. So tell me, how are you? Really? Good. Or bad. I'm sorry if you're not doing well. Happy if you're doing really well. What's been happening in your life lately? Really? What? And then what did they say? Oh my goodness, no, they did not. Well, you know what? You were right in that situation. You were. See, I'm glad we could catch up and have this little chat. It's something that I do have to say. I'm finding it hard to see where things are. And like I have my filming lights straight on. So usually I can see things really well with the lighting, but just in general, I feel like I'm gonna have big old splotches where there is no color. I mean, honestly, if this doesn't look good, it's gonna fade, right? Like that's what I'm telling myself. And also like, I could just shave my hair off, right? Like I'm kind of also at that point where I just feel like, well, let's start over. Shave all the hair off my head. Just kidding, Mom. If you're watching this, I won't shave my head. So I sort of referenced this at the beginning, but it seems like, so WandaVision, I'm sure not canceled, but just like it's done. It's getting into like show ending time. My favorite shows have been ending or just getting canceled in general, or they will soon. Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Anyway, do you have any shows or movies to recommend? Leave that in the comments down below. Or even like podcasts. I've never really gotten into podcasts, but I kind of feel like I should. All right, my hair feels saturated enough. I'm going to set the timer for that for 10 minutes and go and rinse it out. And actually, this did say that the color was going to develop over the next few hours as well, even after it is rinsed out. We will not see each other again until tomorrow morning, whenever I'm done and ready for work, and I will show you what that color looks like. Oh, by the way, before I do go, I forgot to say, just in case you were concerned about this, that this Kristin Ess color depositing conditioner is cruelty-free, vegan, free of sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, and is keratin safe. All right, see you tomorrow. Alright, so this update is actually coming from tomorrow evening. Let's first talk about how the removal of this product went. It was really easy, was not really all that messy in the shower to remove it. I definitely did stain the shower a little bit. I'm going to have to go in with some bleach alternative to really get out some of the redness that came from the shower. My hands were actually super stained last night, but going to work using all the dry mix that I had to use, pretty much it just looks like on my fingertips that I was just eating Cheez-Its and didn't wash my hands. Overall though, the dye did come off of my hands as well as just the other places that the hair touched with the dye on, so that's great. Didn't really stain all that much. As far as the hair color, last night it really didn't show all that much. It just looked like a little darker. Today, like this morning even, like it showed here that it had sort of like a coppery terracotta kind of look to it, and it really wasn't until afternoon, like around like 4 p.m. that I really saw any sort of difference. So I don't know if it was just one of those like I felt like it was, so I don't know if it just took that long for the color to fully develop, or like, I don't know if it was one of those like, it seemed like one of those things that like they used to sell whenever I was a child that was like, it changes color when put in the sun. That's what I felt like my hair did. Overall, I do like this product as far as like a conditioner. Like I find that my hair was quite deep conditioned, so it was a lot more manageable today. Did not get frizzy, things like that. The color is pretty, not really blown away by it. It's not really a drastic color. Even that, like it looked on the box, like I know that I had dark hair to begin with, but even on the box it did show that there was going to be a little more color than actually came. When I was in certain lighting, I could really tell. Perhaps you can tell with like this lighting, whenever I'm going to be editing this to upload it, it is going to, like, I'll be able to see that. I just can't see like in the small viewfinder. But yeah, overall, not like blown away by the color, but was blown away by the deep conditioning properties of this product. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.